knead this bread by hand. Give me 1 second. Woo! And there it is. Sounds good. And it's tender. You can see that's tender. Believe it or not, guys, this is a Sprite bread. Now, you can make bread with, people use Coca-Cola and stuff like that. This was made with Sprite. It's kind of hot. Let me see if I can. There we go. Let me see if I can get the bottom real quick. It's going to be fast. There we go. That's what it should look like. You are not going to believe. You're not going to believe what my daughter did. I guess she smelled it downstairs. She came upstairs. And honey, that's how I took out some butter. See the butter in the background? Hi everybody, I'm back. I was just working on a video and I thought to myself, they want to see what it looks like on the inside. Cut here. Just want to make sure you guys can see that. Alright, now I'm going to open it. Oh, it's got a good crumb on it. Now that's for a good sandwich. What do you say? There we go. Look, tender, nice and tender.